Meet the common egg eater, nature's breakfast specialist. This snake looks like a patterned, medium-sized slinky, but its diet is what makes it famous. Almost only bird eggs. It swallows eggs whole, then uses special vertebrae to crack them inside. No teeth needed, just engineering. Found in woodlands and bird-rich habitats, it's an agile climber that hunts nests quietly. Non-venomous and harmless to humans, its life is basically one long egg run. If it had a restaurant, the menu would be just eggs. Talk about niche marketing. It's the only snake that can honestly call its meals excellent.